എന്നതാനിൻ ഏ
ഇവിടെ ഒരു പുലിയുണ്ട് താഴെ.
ഓ ആ
Any other guesses? Well, this year, well, how about this? Okay, it was completed in 1894, which makes it 130 years old. As we come to the bridge, can you see the glass floor up there? Okay, that is the Tower Bridge experience. So you can go up there, stand on the glass floor, look down at the boats, and look down at the traffic. And the walkie-talkie, well, that's the building that gets wider as it gets taller. Now, you can actually visit that building. A little tip for you, often the first ship back would get the best price. Okay, there is an old stereotype that the British are very fond of their tea. Well, it is absolutely true, as tea was worth its weight you spend at the bar. Now, we've got Tower Bridge, which is the easternmost boundary of the capital city. These buildings on the left here, Butler's here to the left, there was a big shed, a big grey shed here. They've only very recently demolished it. You've got this building here, Oliver's Wharf. There's some people enjoying the sunshine on their balconies there. See where those people are on the steps? They are Wapping Old Stairs, and this is where you would have been marched down. So it will continue flooding into London, reaching a height of 7 metres just ahead of us. And you'd have been chained to the beach, where you would have been left for 3 tides to pass over your heads before you were. In the building does benefit from a riverside view, and this then increases the value of each individual apartment. What is there to see and do here at Canary Wharf? Is it worth a visit? Should we go here? And the short answer for you folks is no. Avoid it, because it's full of bankers. Sir Christopher Wren and Inigo Jones. These were the prototypes for St Paul's Cathedral, the 2 domes you see here, designed by the famous architect Sir Christopher Wren. One will tell you the Royal Observatory.
ഞാൻ